I see that worried look upon your face. You've got your troubles, I've got mine. She's found somebody else to take your place. You've got your troubles, I've got mine.
Something's gotten hold of my heart, keeping my soul and my senses apart. Something's gotten into my life, cutting its way through my dreams like a knife, turning me up, turning me down, making me smile and making me frown.
Daddy is a doctor, mother is a debutante, pillars of society, living in a mansion somewhere in the country, and another in Chelsea. Freedom is a rich girl, daddy's little sweet girl, pretty as a sunny day. Freedom never does do what she doesn't want to. Freedom never has to pay. Freedom come, freedom go. Tell me yes and then she tells me no. Freedom never stay long. Freedom moving along.
I can feel your warm face ever close to my lips, and the scent of you invades the cool evening air. I can close my eyes and you're there in my arms still, and I know your soft kiss turning into music every beat of my heart. When I hold you close to my heart, and I hear your voice whispering I love you.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again, and soon my tears they will be falling like rain. It always seems to be a Monday, leftover memories of Sunday, always spent with you before the clouds appeared, took away my sunshine.
Something tells me something's gonna happen to you. The smile on my face is the smile
beat